Please like, share and subscribe. Virgin's bower, Clematis virginiana, is a deciduous climbing vine native to North America. Other names for Virgin's bower flower are old man's beard, woodbine, devil's darning needles, Italian clematis. Here's some information about the Virgin's bower flower. 1. Flower appearance. The flowers of Virgin's bower are small and white, with 4 petals and numerous stamens. They typically grow in clusters or panicles at the ends of the vine stems. While individually small, the mass of flowers creates a visually stunning display. 2. Blooming period. Virgin's bower blooms in late summer to early fall, producing a profusion of delicate white flowers. The blooming period can last for several weeks, attracting pollinators such as bees and butterflies. 3. Foliage. In addition to its attractive flowers, Virgin's bower also features lush green foliage composed of compound leaves with 3 to 5 leaflets. The foliage provides a verdant backdrop for the flowers and adds to the vine's overall ornamental appeal. 4. Growing habit. Virgin's bower is a climbing vine that uses tendrils to attach itself to supports such as trellises, fences, or arbors. It can reach heights of up to 20 feet, 6 meters, or more, forming dense thickets of foliage and flowers. 5. Growing conditions. Virgin's bower prefers moist, well-drained soil and partial to full sun. It can tolerate a wide range of soil types and pH levels but performs best in fertile, humus-rich soil. Regular watering is beneficial, especially during dry periods, to promote healthy growth and flowering. 6. Ecological importance. Virgin's bower provides important habitat and food sources for wildlife. The flowers attract pollinators, while the dense foliage provides cover and nesting sites for birds and small mammals. The vine also serves as a larval host plant for various butterfly species. 7. Cultural significance. In addition to its ecological value, Virgin's bower holds cultural significance in various traditions and folklore. The plant has been used in herbal medicine by indigenous peoples for its purported medicinal properties, although caution should be exercised as it can be toxic if ingested. Overall, Virgin's bower is valued for its attractive flowers, lush foliage, and ecological contributions. It is a versatile and adaptable vine that can be grown in gardens, naturalized areas, or along fences and arbors, where its charming blooms and vigorous growth can be enjoyed by both humans and wildlife alike.